everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Anna and I upload occasionally sharing my interest in different topics. So thank you so much for tuning in today. So in today's video, I want to share with you about this amazing free browser and a mobile application called Qmee. I hope I said the name correctly. But Qmee is basically a free browser and a mobile app that allows you to earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinions and engaging with your favorite brands. I've been using the application and I can confirm that it is very easy to use, and some of the surveys are fun and very engaging. So if you're a person who likes doing survey, this can be one for you. And some of the surveys can be very short, from 2 to 5 minutes with high earnings, and some can be long with small earning, and vice versa. But it really depends on you. Like I said, you need to like and enjoy doing surveys. So with Qmee mobile app, you can get paid to take surveys on the go, share your opinions with fun and engaging paid surveys, and you'll get a cash rewards for each one you complete. They always find a survey that best fit your profile. So what happens after you have completed a survey? When you completed the survey for money, Qmee will add your rewards to your piggy bank in real time. You can also enjoy no minimum cash out on your earnings, meaning you can have your cash rewards at any time, thus making the site the best survey site compared to others where you have to wait for a certain period of time or until you meet the certain minimum cash out requirement they've set, which can be really frustrating, especially if you need the money as soon as possible. You can do these surveys anytime, but daytime and during weekdays are the best, and you can set your own time on how many how many hours you are willing to spend, because you can easily make a £10 in 1 hour. Yes, that's correct. So to start up, all you need to do is just sign up on their website page or download the application, and also you'll need to have a verified PayPal account where you'll be paid. I will show you in the next script on how to go about. And for now, Qmee is only available in the UK, United States of America, Canada, Australia, Germany, and France. I believe they are planning to include more countries soon, so we'll wait and see. So if you are a stay-at-home parent, student, or just want to earn extra income, this is just perfect way to earn that extra income, but just sharing your opinion. So let's go to the mobile app. This is how it looks like, and this is my profile. You can see the surveys here. There are not so many courses during nighttime. Like I said, during daytime there are more surveys for you, and you normally got the daily poll or pop quiz or even, and you've got cashback if you're interested on that. If you buy something, yeah, you can get your cashback from the shop when shopping. I'm not really interested in the cashbacks, but if someone is, this should be a very good a very good way to earn as well. And you've got the deals as well from different websites like HelloFresh, Homebase. Like there's a lot of deals, as you can see from them. Another Homebase, Europe, car, how you, and you've got gaming. I'm not really into gaming, so it's not for me. It can be for someone. And if you go here, will show on the survey tip. They always give you a survey tip, like tip number 1, you need to avoid speeding, which is really, yeah, definitely you need to avoid speeding when doing it, because they will disqualify you. Be honest, answer question clearly. As you can see, don't use offensive language, don't use VPN. Like if you are living outside the country that I just mentioned, you're not allowed to use the VPN, otherwise you'll be blocked from the site or your account will be deleted. And this is because I'm like saying I'm not using Qmee, this application, like more often, because I'm working somewhere else. That's why you see that amount of money, but I think I've cashed out like almost $10, £10. Yeah, but you can do more than that, more than me, if you can put aside maybe 2 hours or 1 hour per day to do the surveys. Yeah, that's it really. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to. And that's all for today's video. I hope I've helped someone with this information. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you. So do not hesitate to ask me anything you want on the comment section below. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all you lovely people who have recently subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Also, remember to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out whenever I post a new video. So it's bye for now and happy new year.